Petunia axillaris is a large white petunia which is typically grown for its ornamental flowers. Petunia axillaris requires bright direct sunlight for optimal growth. It prefers moderate temperatures and should be watered when the soil partially dries out. We have to prune Petunia axillaris regularly to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. They can be propagated from seeds or cuttings. To keep Petunia axillaris looking its best, consider using a mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress the weeds.